Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love eating subs. I love subs, and we eat them like a lot, especially in the summertime. We either eat like lunch meat with like cheeses and stuff like that. I'll roll everything up all cute and fancy, and then I'll do like vegetables and fruits and stuff like that. But I love subs. My favorite sub is the Firehouse subs, the like brisket with the cheddar stuff. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Anyways, today is gonna be a twofer. I'm gonna be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for the month of September, and the new box to me is called the Tili Try It Love It box. And this is from QVC. This is a $25 subscription where it is supposed to be like their best of the best of makeup, beauty, hair. I think it has hair stuff. Don't really know. We'll find out. And then of course, Allure. You guys have heard me rave about Allure Beauty Box for a very long time. I actually tried to cancel this twice. I don't know that my emails are not going through or what's going on. And I'm only canceling or trying to cancel just because I have way too much skincare right now. And Allure is very heavy skincare based, and I love it for that. But this is a $15 a month subscription where you receive like 5 to 6 Try Me travel size items. I've gotten a couple full size items in my Allure Beauty Box, but it is one of my all-time favorite sub boxes, period, hands down, ever, 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 ever. If you are a skincare whore like myself, you might want to check it out. So the Tili, of course, QVC, $25. I don't remember or know exactly how many products are in here. We're going to find out together. And I think I'm going to do the Allure first because I'm really excited about something new. So let's jump right into this one. I have my little scissors ready. I'm really excited because this box is cute. And it looks different from our typical box that we've been getting. So that is what it looks like. All right. Best of Beauty award winners. Oh, okay, sweet. So apparently this month is for the best of Allure, and I always keep these little pamphlets and use these to like dry my setting sprays and all that kind of stuff. It's packaged really pretty. Got some little tissue paper in here. All right, first up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 items. First up, I see a Laura Mercier Ready Set Go Deluxe Mini Translucent Loose Setting Powder with Mini Velour Puff. Holy shit, that's a lot to say. I will not be using this. I cannot use loose setting powders. I've actually tried the Laura Mercier before that one of my friends was so gracious enough to send me, and I coughed and hacked and my eyes were red within 2 seconds. So kudos to the Becca for that Hydra Mist because that is the only one I've ever been able to use, and I've tried a ton. I have tried RCMA, I've tried the Coty Airspun. That one is terrible. I know that is so many people's holy grail, but that shit stinks. It smells like old mothballs mixed with perfume. I don't know. It's terrible. So this is really cool to have. I know this is a holy grail product to so many people, but your girl can't use this. Moving along. Next up is from La Roche-Posay. I love saying that even though I'm probably butchering it, but it sounds so fun to say it. Eczema prone skin, Lipicar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. I will 100% keep this. My son and I both have eczema. I only have a couple places on my arms, so I don't usually use eczema things, but he has it all over and gets very, very dry, scaly patches, especially in the wintertime. So I will try this on him, and we'll keep that product. Next up is from Ciate London, a Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm in the shade Glow. That is what that looks like. This is also not a product I'm gonna use. Unless I think it may be something that I would use on my eyes. I don't like to use cream products, which normally cream products are really good for dry skin. I just don't like them, and I don't feel like they work for me. I will see. I'm not supposed to have a color. It's just sheer. A luminous highlighting balm. I'm not even going to mess with it. I'm not going to swatch or anything because I know I'm not going to use it. I will try to watch other people's videos and see exactly what it is. Or if y'all have used it, let your girl know how it is. I just don't like products like that, personally. Next up is a Perfect Smooth Shampoo Color Protectant by Nature Lab Tokyo. And I may as well pull the conditioner out as well. They are argan stem cell technology made in Tokyo. So it is the shampoo and the conditioner. I will keep these. I'm probably not going to use them right now, but I always like to keep these little things for when we travel. So I will keep them. I will open it and smell it unless it's sealed all the way. Yeah, it is. Never mind. But I think that's really cool, and I love to get these and keep these. Any kind of time I get like little toothpastes, hair gels, things like that, I always keep them for when we travel. And then our last thing is by Allure, and it is a brightening facial scrub with sea kelp, French green clay for all skin types. Y'all know I love exfoliation and scrubbing type things, so I'm very excited for this. I will 100% use this. I have been in this last week using the pineapple serum. Oh my god, I love it so much. It is so beautiful. I feel like my skin is feeling amazing. And then I'm going to be introducing the Dr. Brandt like overnight like hydration thing. So next week I will try this and see how this does. I am really big on only using one skincare item per week so that I know if my skin breaks out, we know who the culprit is. That was it for that one. I think definitely worth $15. Not exactly my favorite Allure box I've gotten, but still decent, and I still love the box overall. I just want to talk about this box. First of all, it feels very, very heavy. I think it is absolutely stunning with the beautiful kind of ombre, and it says sunsets and stilettos. So that is what the outer packaging looks like. It is quite heavy and really well made, so kudos for that. If I can open the damn box. I always kind of want to open boxes before I start, but then I also want to be like super surprised and actually show you guys like, hey, I haven't seen what's in the damn box. So tons of tissue paper. Good lord, that's a lot of tissue paper. Oh, it's packaged so pretty. Oh, I already see some favorites. Oh my god. Making sure y'all can see that. I'm excited! So first up is one of my Holy Grail products. You guys have heard me talk about this 1.5 million times, and I've used it for many, 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 many years. It is a Purity by Philosophy 3-in-1 cleanser. I absolutely love this stuff so much. I use it, my son uses it, I use it to clean my brushes and my beauty blenders. It does not over dry the skin. I know a lot of people have issues with Philosophy because they are not cruelty-free. If you are a cruelty-free beauty, I 100% respect that, and this is just my personal opinion on how much I love this product. I've used it for years, and I cannot say how much I absolutely love it. It takes off everything, but it does not over dry the skin. It smells nice. It feels really good on the skin. You can put it all around your eyes, and it doesn't, irritate the eyes or anything like that. I love it. So I'm already happy. Next up, another one of my Holy Grail products that I've used for years is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. That is a little mini. I've raved about this for a long time too. I absolutely love it. I also buy the full sizes of these. I have tried a million mascaras and I always go back to that particular mascara. I just love it. It is super black, very lengthening, very volumizing, curling, everything you could ask for in a mascara. I think that has it, and I love it. So yeah, moving along. Next up is a Carmody Beauty Intuit eyeliner in the shade I don't know. So oh, espresso. That is what that looks like. I love Carmody. She actually had a line many years ago, and her stuff was phenomenal. Like her one gold eyeshadow that she had, I think I bought like 5 of those, and her liner were really bomb back then. So I'm excited to try this. I'm not a huge eyeliner fan. Y'all already know this. It is a deep espresso brown. The packaging is stunning. Beautiful gold with like teal writing. I think that's really pretty. And thank God it's a retractable one. These tend to be a little bit more creamy and not as drying or tugging to the eyes. Yeah, that's very creamy. I actually think that if you have kind of a deeper brown tone eyebrow, you might be able to get away with this as a brow pencil as well. It's not quite as skinny, but I like that. That's very cool. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my little thing. I am going to try this. Next up is 8 greens. I don't know what this is. Spinach, wheatgrass, kale. It's a little packet of something. I don't really know what this is. Hold on a second. 1 tablet of 8 greens contains as much B6, C, B12, zinc. Okay, directions. Thank God. Drop 1 tablet in 8 ounces of water, dissolve it and drink it. Maximum of 3 tablets per day, 1 tablet per, I don't know how many, is it just 1 tablet? I guess it's just 1 tablet, just to try it. So I guess just to give you lots of antioxidants and vitamins and stuff like that. I'm terrified of this. I tried some greens from another brand because my friend was trying to sell it from another brand and it was terrible. Anyways, I don't know what to even say about that or what to think about that, so we're going to move along. Next up is a Elemis, I love that brand, Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. Oh my God, I bet that is going to be phenomenal. The Elemis Collagen Cream, I've used it for a very long time and I love it so much. I'm excited about that. Alright, next up is a New Face Prep and Glow Dual-Sided Cleansing Cloths. Oh! Cleanses, exfoliates, and hydrates, and there's 5 cloths in there. I'm very excited about these. I love this kind of stuff as well. Ooh, you guys, I like this box a lot. Next up is a Professional Extra Whitening System Super Smile Extra White Whitening Toothpaste and Accelerator. Sorry, guys. My son just got home from school. So that's what that looks like. I will try this. I think I have pretty decent teeth, but of course they could always be better. We can always improve on ourselves. So I'm excited about that. This whole thing has been bomb. All right, one last thing, and let me move this out the way. And our last thing is a Mally Evercolor Poreless Face Defender. Oh, and it's a full size. Holy shit. I have seen this and I wanted to actually try this. I know I don't have oily skin, but wow, that is really heavy and beautiful packaging. But it is this really cool, I've seen this a million times. Oh, that's so neat. But it has a little puff. And it's almost like a translucent, think of glycerin soap, how it's like, you know, translucent and stuff like that, but it has like texture to it. So that is what it looks like. And it is supposed to be where you take the little puff and say you're oily on one side. I'm not, but I would use it and try it, maybe if I'm sweaty. But you literally take the puff in here and then press it into the skin, and it is supposed to really blur everything out, take away any shine or anything like that. I have seen, if you go to QVC especially, I have seen them show this and demo this, and it works insanely beautiful. And this is like $30 on its own, I think. Okay. All right, QVC. I want to see what the little thing looks like. Stunning packaging. Oh, that puff is nice. Very, very thick and very soft. I'm excited, you guys. I don't know if I've ever seen anyone do a QVC box, maybe. I have to go back through and look at all my watched videos. But if you have, then let me know, and I will go check out your video because I'm going to see what other goodies they have. You all know if I get a sub box subscription, I keep them for 3 months as a trial basis. Sorry about the dogs, guys. This is my life. This is my crazy, hectic, wonderful, beautiful life. But I always do it kind of a try me thing where I keep a sub box for 3 months. And if in that 3 months time frame, I don't feel like I'm getting my money's worth, it's not products I'm going to use, I cancel it. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Short and sweet, but I liked both overall. That QVC box is the shit. I'm very excited about that, and I love everything that I got. And I will update y'all. So anyways, if you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you'll tap the notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.